Welcome to hands-on cross-platform mobile development with Xamarin.Forms. My name is Jesse Liberty, and I've been a professional programmer for 30 years. I spent the past 5 years focused on Xamarin.Forms and the past 20 working with C#. I'm the author of over 15 programming books and about as many training videos. Let's take a quick look at what we'll be covering in this course. In our first section, we'll get started. Getting started is meant to serve as an introduction to this course. And in this section, we will download and install Visual Studio, the tool we'll be using. And I should mention that Visual Studio that we'll be using is free. In our second, we'll discuss the view model. In our section on the view model, we will talk about the key paradigm used in Xamarin.Forms, that is model, view, view model. The model represents your data. The view is the pages that your user will see, and the view model is where all the logic for your program resides. In section 3, we'll talk about navigation. When we discuss navigation, we'll see that Xamarin.Forms shell provides a modern and very easy-to-use navigation system. Navigation includes flyouts, what we often think of as the hamburger menu, menus, tabs, and routes, which we'll get into in depth. In section 4, shell styling. The shell styling section is about making your app look good and professional. In this section, we'll be discussing using styles for consistency. We'll also talk about how to use static references for managing those styles. And in section 5, the all-important topic of unit testing. In one of our most important sections, we'll talk about unit testing. We'll discuss what unit testing is and how you can use NUnit to create unit tests. And we'll discuss using mock or mock-Q to create mocks for more advanced unit testing. In section 6, we'll finish up. Finally, in our finishing up section, we'll discuss next steps and resources. We ask that you have some experience with C#, but that was really all that was required, preparing you to go on to further development. You may want to study more about advanced styling, learn about additional controls in Xamarin.Forms, and explore advanced use of C# to enhance your application. You can go much further with NUnit and mock, creating superior unit tests. So let's get started.